Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. I do want to go back there just a second, specifically this here database. And I want to show you something real quick. Talking about doing quartiles. And believe it or not, there is in the formula sections, if you basically hang in statistics, let's see, how to put quartiles with Q. Here we go. Quartiles, where you can find exclusive. Now let's go with the inclusive one. All right. So you can have this do the quartile for you. And of course, let's see, what do we want? Quartile, I want which array? What data do I want? I want to do this guy. All right. So now, if I put in numbers 0 through 4, okay, 0 through 4 means 0 means quartile. It's a 0 quartile. Well, that's your minimum. Makes sense. Quartile 4. That's your maximum. 115, 500. 115, 500. Didn't want that to happen. That's okay. And let's clear these guys out. Let's just redo this. All right. Don't click outside. The second quartile was the median. Okay. And see, I think 56,995 was what we got. First quartile, okay, 50,251.25. I think that's what we had. And third quartile, 8,062. Actually, I think we had 80,125. Okay, so third quartile is a little different from what we had in hand calculated. And that was, anyway, I remember that was 80,125, if I remember correctly, right between these two guys. All right, so let's see what the other one does. That was the I one. Let's try this one. Again, what array do we want? What array? Second one, that's the same. Third one, okay, 80,187.5. All right. Again, it's a little different. We have was 80,125. So technology does maybe doing a little differently. So now we have a couple ways of doing it. Do it by hand. Let's get you close. The min, max, and the median should always be the same, either by technology or by hand. It's when you get in the first and the third quartile. You may get some differences between doing it by hand and by technology. Okay. But note, they are all real close to each other. So I just want to show you there is a way of doing it with technology. If I have my hand calculator, I show you how to do it on my hand calculator. So that's what I want to do. So we just finished the tutorial. And let's look at the questions. The questions of Quantitative Reasoning Online, Part 9C. Let's do them. Question 1. I always got to resize this silly thing. Here we go. The annual income of 20 engineers is shown in the table. Here's the table. This list is an example of a univariate, one variable, because we know one thing about each engineer. Complete part A through D below. All right. So the data is ranged from smallest to largest. Gotcha. Find the average annual income of the 20 engineers. Okay, again, they were nice enough to give us what that number is. And again, the average income, it's going to be total income over how many engineers. And what does that get us? Clear 1, 6, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2, divided by 20 for 82,380.60. Plug it in. 82380.60. Check answer. Good job. Alrighty. Okay, numerical data that being arranged in ascending order or descending can be grouped by relative size. The median divides data into two sets. Half the data set is smaller and the other half is larger. Find the median of the 20. Again, define Q2. That'd be total number over 2, which is 10. Of course, since 10 is a whole number, I will look at x equals 11 and, oops, 10 and 11. Okay, I'm going to look at the values for 10 and 11. And the value in between would be the median. So the median is going to be the sum of those two salaries divided by 2. $73392 plus 99654 divided by 2, or 86,523, which fares relatively close, reasonably close to the median. 86,523. Okie dokie. Now we're going to do the quartiles. Find the first quartile income. There you go. And the first quartile income, and this was Q2 here, by the way, is, well, it's going to be the middle of this part. I have 10, and 10 over 2 is 5, so I'm going to look for the middle value, or the average of 5 and 6 for Q1. So the average, it's the middle between 5 and 6. And this above, so at that location would be 5 values above it and 5 values below it going up to Q2. So Q1, let's add 59,568 to 62,203, half that. 59,568 plus 62,203 divided by 2. 60,885.50 in dollars. 6885.50. And that was correct. And last but not least, the third quartile. So again, we're going to look at this set of 10. Well, half of 10 is 5, which would be 20 minus 5 is, well, halfway through would be looking at between 15 and 16, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, leading the max value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading up to the median. So between Q3 and Q2 is 5, between Q3 and the max is 5. Which means Q3 should be the average of those two guys, 108, 115, 109, 242, divided by 2. Okay, do you see those guys? Yeah, I do. 108, 115, plus 109, 242, divided by 2. For 108, okay, 678.50. 108, 678.50. Nice work. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, looks familiar again. Alright. Base the same as in the tutorial. We're comparing energy costs, the temperature. There's our temperature graph. Here's our fuel cost. And we got to compare them. Now choose the best description of the behavior of the variable temperature. Does it rise continuously? Afterward being continued, is it always going up, up, and up? No, goes up, goes down. Goes up, goes down. Is it always declining continuously? No. It goes down and goes up. It rises and falls, yes, but more importantly, it rises and falls in a pattern repeatedly. How about the variable of cost for fuel? Okay, well, is the cost always rising? Oops, lost my pen. It's always rising. Nope. It goes up and goes down. Is it always declining? Nope. It goes down and goes up. Is it rising and falling? Yeah, but it's rising and falling, rising and falling. So again, one of those repeated ones. And let's see. And look at the two graphs. I think I lost something here. Okay. Choose best description of the relationship between the two variables. And it would appear that, well, when temperature is going up, cost is going down. When temperature is going down, cost is going up. So they are behaving similarly, but at different times. So yes, they have different behaviors. As one goes up, the other goes down. They are similar. As a graph, they go up and down. But they seem to go up and down at different times. So there we go. Yeehaw. Clear ink. There you go. Oh, it's the full thing. Okay. Again, let's read a document. Reading it, pick out some information. Information is what was the average total income of those in the survey? The average total income. Okay. Looks like average total annual income was thus 103,497. Type it in correctly. Okay. Does the second bullet give information about mean or median? Second bullet. Okay, what kind of, okay, median, then we go to master's degree, median, bachelor's degree, median. There's the median income they're talking about. Okay. And let's see. What does the third and fourth bullet talk about? Well, it looks like we're talking about income and experience. Again, income. Responsibility, but that kind of implies experience then too. So it's not experience. No benefits were mentioned. Nothing about working condition. Nothing about benefits. So again, it has to be salary and experience. Yep. And that is all she wrote for Quantitative Reasoning Online, Lesson 9C, Preview Questions. So with that, go and look over the section yourself again, do the questions yourself so you can get the credit for it, and then work with Stephanie here to do the workbook. I'm going to copy it for a PDF picture, upload it, and then work on the practice assignment and get those knocked off. With that, I say good day, and I'll see you in Lesson 9D.